Hello, Jason here from septictank.co.uk. Now, there's a lot of misinformation on the internet about Soakaway crates, so I thought I'd make a video entitled The Truth About Soakaway Crates. So this video is going to be everything you needed to know about Soakaway crates, but you were too afraid to ask, or maybe you just couldn't find the right information. And I'm going to answer the following questions, which are: what is a Soakaway crate? Are Soakaway crates illegal to use with a septic tank? And I'm going to answer the question, how do they work? All right, so let's answer that first question now. What is a Soakaway crate? So what are Soakaway crates? Well, if you type the word Soakaway crates into Google, it's no wonder people are confused, because you get loads of different images. You've got square ones, you've got oblong ones, you've got double ones, you've got ones with yellow circles in, you've got blue ones, you've got loads of different shapes and sizes. And it's no wonder that people often confuse them with milk crates. Remember the old milk crates from the 50s and 60s? So what is a Soakaway crate? Soakaway crates connect to the outlet pipe of septic tanks, and they're designed to help the wastewater soak away into the soil. Septic tank Soakaway crates are made from very strong plastic. They're hollow and they're normally rectangular, and they have a 20-ton bearing load. They're really easy to install as well. Literally dig your hole and then place and insert the Soakaway crates into the hole. They just push together and clip together with clips. Once you've done that, cover them with membrane. And that's basically what septic tank Soakaway crates are. Here's another popular question I get asked. Are Soakaway crates legal to use with septic tanks? The confusion arises because when you type in septic tank Soakaway crates into Google, you get many sites that claim that they are illegal. So, for example, here's one. Let's just scroll down here. Here's a site here that speaks about Soakaway crates. And you can see here they say, Soakaway crates are not allowed for sewage effluent. Then at the bottom of the page, they say, beware of crabway traders. Call the police if they're selling you Soakaway crates for septic tanks. So let me clear up the confusion. It's really simple. There's two types of Soakaway crates on the market. There's rainwater Soakaway crates and the septic tank Soakaway crates. You cannot use rainwater Soakaway crates for a septic tank because the membrane with rainwater Soakaway crates is not designed for the suspended solids in the sewage effluent. It's as simple as that. So when you see all these sites saying, no, you can't use Soakaway crates for septic tanks, what they really mean is you can't use rainwater Soakaway crates for septic tanks, and you can't. So make sure if you're buying crates for a septic tank Soakaway, you buy septic tank Soakaway crates. So how do septic tank Soakaway crates work? So how do septic tank Soakaway crates work? Well, they're a very clever invention invented by some very clever scientists. Let me show you how they work, and then you'll see what I mean. So imagine you've just dug a hole. Doesn't matter the size of the hole. Could be big, could be medium, could be small. But the point is, when you've dug your hole, right, you've got 100% cavity or space that you've just dug out. All right, that's the whole reason you've dug a hole, because you want to make a pit for yourself. All right, so you've dug the hole, okay? But then what happens is that people then fill the hole back in. So let's say, right, you've got some gravel, or you've got 20 to 30 mil shingle, you've got bricks, you've got rubble. It doesn't really matter what you've got. But once you've filled the hole back in, right, you haven't got 100% cavity anymore. In fact, when you filled the hole back in with, say, gravel or shingle, you've only got 10% of the original cavity left. And that space is in between all the stones. So it's almost like, you know, irrelevant that you've just dug a hole, because you've just filled it back in again. All right. And so all the water, right, that comes from your septic tank is then going to fill up these little pockets in between the gravel. So gravel and shingle really is very ineffective for a Soakaway pit. Now, when you compare that ratio to Soakaway crates, you'll now see why they're such a clever invention. Now, a Soakaway crate, as we've seen, is like one of the old milk crates, right? It's got four corners, it's got a roof, it's got a bottom on it, but it's hollow inside. And so it actually retains, right, 95% of the original cavity. So when you filled your hole back in and you've put soil on the top there, all the liquid that comes from your septic tank into the hole will then fill up inside each of the crates, like so. So instead of having just a 10% cavity, you've now retained 95% of the original cavity. And, you know, filling a hole up with shingle can cost you, man, anywhere from like 300, 400, 500 quid. You know, so for half that, you can get the crates, right, to fill up the hole, retain almost like 90% of the original cavity. And another reason why they work so well is because once you put the crates in and you cover them with the special membrane for septic tanks, it works like on a time release basis. So it slowly regulates and allows the water to percolate or drain away from the crates into the soil. And that's why septic tank soakaway crates are such a clever invention. And yeah, so there you go. That's how septic tank soakaway crates work. So you can see, so if you're looking to put a new septic tank or soakaway in, if you're looking to replace an old soakaway, then please consider soakaway crates, or at least do a bit more research about them, because not only does it take you literally about an hour, hour and a half to dig the hole and get the crates in, but they'll also save you lots and lots of money and time and effort. So listen, thank you very much for watching this video today. If you want any more free help and advice, then just go to septictank.co.uk, or you can go onto Google or YouTube and type in Septic Tank TV, where you'll see more videos of me with also free help and advice. And if you subscribe, you could win a free massive extra large bucket of organic soakaway worms, which prevent soakaways from ever becoming blocked. And if it is blocked and clogged up, and you're looking to replace your soakaway, you can put those soakaway worms into the soakaway and they'll unblock it for you, saving you, what, 3, 4, 5,000 quid on having to replace your soakaway. So listen, you take care. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.